let's make this dump cake. Today we're going to use peaches and classic yellow cake and butter, and that's it. I already opened up the can, and this ain't too hard. We want to make sure we butter every square inch of this loaf pan, or else this thing will stick like a glue. And if you do this, it comes out nice. So let's pour the peaches in. And this is just a small Lodge bread pan that my brother got me for my birthday. If you wanted to do a bigger one, you could do 2 cans of peaches in a 9x13. But for 2 people, this is just right. Now we're going to put a layer of this yellow cake right on top, fighting the wind the whole way. And I'm only going to use about 1/3 of the box. That's it. Now let's put the butter on. Just thin pats all the way around. So I'll speed this up. All right, there you go. That is ready to go on the grill. So I got some peach wood going on here right now, and I think we'll put it on with the peach wood going. Maybe it'll give it a little smoky flavor. Who knows? Move the camera over. Sorry about that. Okay, we're just going to put it indirect, and we'll leave it go for about 45 minutes. See you then. Okay, it's been 35 minutes, and I'm gonna pull this peach cobbler. Look at that. Bubbling goodness. Now, I would not recommend taking a bite of that right now. We're gonna let that sit for at least 10 minutes to cool off, so we don't have blisters inside our mouth. But I tell you, it smells pretty good. So in about 10 minutes we'll be back once it quits boiling to give it a try. Alright, it's been 8 minutes and I can't stand it anymore. We gotta try this peach cobbler dump cake. Look at that. The crust is nice and firmed up in there. The peaches are oh my gosh. That is fantastic. I think this is just as good. Now that's screaming hot still, but I think this is just as good as the chocolate cherry dump cake we made this winter. Wow. That is a winning dessert. Hands down, that is fantastic. All right. So once again, I'm Mark. This is Everyone Can Grill. Make yourself a peach dump cake, get off your butts, fire them up, and have fun.